Hey, good morning, guys, or good afternoon, good evening to you. ELTONMCFALL here. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I was having my second coffee. Go get that quickly, and you can see Gloria taking one of her cat naps here. There she is. Tough life. Yeah. Get my coffee. Yeah. Where's that big baby? Who's a big baby? Anyway, wasn't planning that. So, anyway, I got this kit a few years ago in a lot when I actually had more money for whatever reason. And I put it for sale not long after. And actually, that's the same lot that had that Lamborghini Countach I made. Actually, it's right here. That I made when? Last summer, I think I made it last summer. Yeah, no, yeah, everything needs cleaning here. This is the problem with these models. It makes I have so many of them, they all need cleaning. I clean them, about every 5-6 months. Anyway, so I bought this, like I said, I had that Lamborghini, and there's also that Hagasawa, whatever, 65 Impala model I got to build. That's not for sale, but this I've been trying to sell, nobody bought it. So, and it's because it's what it is, not a bad model or a bad car. It's a great car, 44 convertible, but it's a 132 scale. And 132 scale is not what you just saw 124 scale, and those are 124 scale as well, right? So it doesn't fit in generally people's collection. Yeah, I don't care, whatever. I'm going to open right now and I'll build it. I don't know when, whatever. Maybe next month, maybe in a year or 2 years, who knows? So I never done an unboxing of this before. So we're gonna, let me set up the camera better here a bit. Let's see how this goes. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Maybe like this. Need something to put this on here. I don't know. Like that, maybe. Well, we'll give her a go. Okay, here we go. So, get the old X-Acto unbox, and this kit here is from what was it? 2008, 2007? Shit, I don't know. I thought it was written here somewhere. Written in many languages. Yeah, Lindberg. Sorry, I forgot to mention Lindberg. Hey, this thing is only 19 years old. You know, this kit's 2006, man. 2006, yeah. All right, let's open it up. Hey, it's actually got it all around. It's got a nice box all around, though, eh? Box art there, like the whole thing. Look, this underneath usually would have been freaking just, you know, a box like this here, eh? Just like that. Oh, yeah, there's the Meteor. So, yeah, getting back on that there. So let's give it a, let's see what's happening here. Not even sure where the hell to open this thing. How am I looking here? Can we see what I'm doing here? God, man, I'm bad eyesight. Bad eyesight. Unboxing a 20-year-old Lindberg kit. Lindberg. I actually only have 2 Lindberg models. I've got the 61 Impala up on the shelf, the orange one, the first one I did. Then this, just a few years ago, I did that Dodge cab over truck. There it is, the Kingsway truck here. Fuck, shit. Don't drop the camera, Elton, right up there. Oh, responding. All right, we'll go back to the Ford here. I didn't want to make a big, long-winded thing, but I've always had a tendency for most of my life to overthink things. So instead of overthinking, I said, let's just do it. It'll be fun. All right, here we go. All right, what do we got here? You know, I was watching a video, by the way, yesterday about the risks of opening an old model kit. These old model kits that have been around for many, many years. They could have parts missing. They could be warped. There was one guy opened a box. I don't know if it was a Johan, I think, or something, and I don't remember who it was. And yeah, it's like, I don't know. It was like exposed near a fire or something, and it's like the freaking instructions were almost like all burnt up. You know. Wow, no wonder nobody bought this freaking thing. Where's the chrome? That's it? This is it. That's it? Oh my god, this is made for a fucking 5-year-old. Oh. No chrome. Where's the tires? There's not even any tires? Oh, mackerel. When was this kit made? Like frickin' 1940? Sack. Okay. Okay, what do we got here? Let's see. Let me get the camera better for you. Okay, so there's your hood and trunk. Here we have the sides, les côtés in French, the sides, les côtés. Then there appears to be, I think I'm going to bring in closer here. There appears to be a dashboard. Dashboard there. Interior, not sure what this is. This looks like a front axle. Bumpers. What are those? They look like shocks anyway. Look at that, plain as day. Plain Jane, look at that. Very clear cut though, very obvious. This is definitely like a skill level 1. I think I could do this in a day. Maybe that'll make a video, eh? You can tell I do paint. I'm an artist. Look, that's not blood, that's just paint. Man, it's got nice under detail. Did I see a grill in this thing or what? I don't know, there's something here. I think I see junker potential. Where's the frick? Oh boy. Oh, is it with the hood? It's not with the hood. It's not with the hood. And it's not with the... And you know what? Okay, those are the headlights. There's the steering. Oh! There it is, right here. And not much in the detail, eh? Like, you can barely see those friggin' grills, man. Why? I don't want to lose that baby. That's what I was worried about. Well, that's pretty, how's those wheels look, though? We didn't really get a good look at those. The wheels and the hubcaps. This is cool. I feel like the Mr. HP guys, HP guys. Yeah, looks pretty spot on. I'm not, yeah, I think maybe I will put, I've had this for years. I might as well build it. I don't know, whatever. It won't be with these ones, obviously. It will just look rinky-dink. It'll put it freaking, well, not on the windowsill because, you know, the sun will get to it. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. And I guess because it's from more modern times, it's not a Johan from the 80s, 60s, 70s or whatever, so everything's okay. Oh, we can check out the instruction. Hang on. Oh yeah. Very whoa. Wow, this is the freaking most simple, easiest instructions I've ever seen for a model kit. Look at that. I mean, look at that. It's like, Dad, I'm bored. It's like, oh, okay. Well, you want to put a model together? Okay. Oh, look at that, son. We can do this in half a day. Well, I hope you found this informative. I thought I did. As a matter of fact, I enjoyed this so much. If you by any chance have too many model kits or you've got too much money or whatever the case, you need to get rid of it. Just, you want to send me as a gratuity as well. Send me a vintage model, whatever it is. And even if it's not a car, I mean, even if I don't build it, just to look through it and just to look at the details and the way things are done. Because again, me, I admitted it. I realized I had an epiphany over the last few years that I've had a learning disability a lot of my life. I mean, I stayed back an extra year of school. I did 1 year CJEP, some night school, and I did all these mostly crummy jobs. So I guess you can say now I'm making up for it. Excuse me. It's cold this morning. It's the air. Oh, the air is so nice and crisp. Ah, breathe. It's wonderful. Fuck, I'm so tired of the heat, man. Like in August now, where it's August 1st today. And no, I'm sorry, I have air conditioning, but I don't have air conditioning in the office or room here. So again, I got all the windows open right now. It's about 15, 16 degrees. It's about, I don't know, 9 something, 9:20, 9:30. And like I said, you got something you want to send me a comment or find me on Facebook. I'll give you my address. And I'll be a pleasure to review that from a non-professional modeler who will leave you with some views of some of my models, which are generally not for sale. However, you know, when I made that reference, some people got more money than they know what to do with it. This one actually I sold. When I sold all like my not great models I made in the 90s, I made a lot of them, right? And some of them were shit boxes, so I got rid of all of those. This one I sold, and then the guy sent it freaking back to me because one of these windows popped out inside and he couldn't get it. Anyway, oh my god. So it's back. So now I'll never sell it again. 64 El Camino, 71 Cheyenne, 68 Charger, 57. That's a Danbury Mint. I've had this since I was a kid. I've had that since like freaking 91. Yeah, sorry, the zoom on this thing up close is not great, so I have to keep an eye on that. I can't go in too close. There's Elvis. Elvis Presley. Charles Phoenix. He did a very interesting video of one of these exactly stock like that, kind of like a really beautiful, typical of that time. Was it like a coral metallic kind of, not coral, something like that, fuchsia, and whatever. There's the Lindberg 61 Chevy. This is on there just for fun, you know. Same thing with this. They're making them look like they're big shots, but these are some of my oldest models. These two right here. This one I built in the 90s. 63 Galaxy, 61 Impala. Might have I inhaled something? Possibly. 65. No, that was my friend Brian who gave me that a few years ago now. It's been already 2 years, 3 years. This and a whole bunch of models. No, he didn't give them to me. I made some of them. I bought. We traded some, and some of them. Anyway, I'm going off whatever the fucking rails like a crazy train, like Ozzy. 64 GTO. Always loved this kit. I made it when I had this kit in the 90s. Not this one, but the same one in the 90s. I made a cop car out of it. They're using different wheels. There's that T-Bird Turbo, the Impala a friend of mine gave me, my friend Metzer. 60. There's the Dodge cab over, Lindberg again. Other than that 132 from Wedge Soap Sub, they really do make nice kits. However, this one here, the 61 Impala, this is like my 68 Johan Plymouth Fury there. The hoods, they really warped. Look at this. You know, like, hang on, can you see that? Can't you see? Can't you see? And so it's it doesn't look as good. You see, I lost a few bits there over the years, but I still really love this model. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Maybe we'll do something else about this. There's a couple of models I got to do something with one day and go out and film them. And I don't know. I think I'm a little bit tired of it right now. It's just, I don't know. I think ideally I would be living like in a small town or in the country, so I'll just go right on a deck and, you know, you put something on the ground so it looks like pavement. You got all your trees in the background, or a brook or mountain or whatever. So that's it. Like I said, you want to send me a kit, you want me to open it and do a review of it, hey, it'd be my pleasure. And maybe I'll build it, maybe not, I don't know. But I don't generally sell gifts people send me unless they die. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, be well, and remember to contact me if you have something you see on my walls that you'd like to own, one of my original paintings, or you want to see more pictures of that. Again, find me on Facebook or send me an email, ELTONMCFALL@hotmail.com. ELTONMCFALL@hotmail.com. There's my little homage to the famous 1971 first Spielberg movie, Duel. So every time I try to outrun him, he catches up to me. He must have some souped up diesel.